If you watch this video to the end, you'll be able to change your old switches to smart one by yourself.
My name is Construction No Limit. Today I just want to show you step by step how you can change your old switch to smart ones. Your old light switch to smart ones. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that the smart light switch you're going to buy is compatible to the old one you want to change. You have to make sure that the number of gang you have in the old one is the number of gang you are going to buy. I have a particular smart switch here. This is a smart switch made in Israel. It's a very reliable smart switch, light switch. So I want to use it to do this demonstration. If you want to change the one you have, the old one, decide how many gangs you have. For instance, this one here, we have a 1, 2, 3 gang. And then this one here, you have so many. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you have push up and push down. 1, 2. Push up and push down. That means you can use this one to connect your window blind, and you can decide to lift it up or to lift it down. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 plus push up, push down 2. So you have to decide the one that is good for your old switch. Then there's another important thing you have to also decide. In your old switch, how many wires that is connected to the place? How many wires? You need the neutral. You need the X. You also need life 1, life 2, in and out. Like the case of push up, push down, you must have life 1, life 2. The one that pushes up, the one that pushes it down. So you also have to make sure that the neutral wire is also available, because in so many old buildings there is a way they switch their light without the neutral. The neutral is the blue color, depending on your location. Here in Israel, where I am, the blue color is neutral. So in many places you find out that blue color is not available there. So it's going to be problem. You're going to have problem to fix in this smart light switch, because it works with the neutral. The neutral must be connected to this so that you have a complete circuit. You know, smart switch is switch that has the internet connectivity. So it has a circuit inside. It has panels inside. So for the circuit to work effectively, then the neutral must be there. So you have to make sure that where you are changing, the old one that you are changing to the new one, that you have neutral. You see this smart light switch, it has a Wi-Fi. That's why you can connect it to your internet, and then you will now begin to operate it using your phone, computer, or whatever that is connected to Google Home that controls it. So it's also very, very important that you make sure that the one you are buying is the one that goes with neutral, and you make sure that you have neutral wire in where you are changing the old one. If you don't have it to introduce neutral, you have to introduce all the wires that is necessary. So that's why the first thing you have to do is to make sure compatible the one you have and the one you want to install. Okay, so having that in the mind, like I told you, this is made in Israel. Made in Israel. You can see it here. It's written here. Bold. You can see neutral. You can see L1, L2, L3. You can see live 1 at the back. You see it? Okay, so we're going to look at how to install it. So, as I said, the first step is to make sure there's compatibility. The old one is matching. What you are going to confirm is to check the type of box you have in your old switch. Here I have two kind of boxes here. See, this one is for regular switch. This one, you can check the depth is small. Then this one is for the smart switches. See, the depth is more. It's more, it's deep inside, so that it can contain all the wires that you are going to pass through. So that's what you need to do. Make sure you check the type of box you have there. If the one you have is not correct, it means you are going to change the box to a good one that contains your smart switch. Okay, now we go to the demonstration to see how we connect it. Okay, now this is where we are going to connect our smart switch. We're going to connect it here. This is the type of switch that I want to connect here. In this sample that I have here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the lighting point. So I have in this room here, I have 4 gang switch. Though I have more than 4 spots in here, spotlight here, but I want to control them in 4 places. So that means I have 4 gang of switches here. I also have 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is not for switch, it's for the window blind. You have push up, push down, push up, push down. So in this room, I have two, the trace and the curtain. So all of them push up, push down. So I'm going to connect the push up, push down, the blind for the outside here. The one for the inside I'm going to connect here. And then these ones for the light, for the lighting points. So, like I said, when you lose your older switch, you will have to make sure there's neutral. In this place, I have neutral here. You always identify it with the color. In Israel, the blue color is neutral. That is negative. I also have a orange inside. That is earth. Then I have the life one. The life one is the positive, the one that brings the power to this switch. Then I have other wires that will control every lighting point, and they push up, push down. So sometimes you use the color to identify them. Like I have a brown, orange here, orange, black, orange, brown, black, brown. So I have the color code here. This one is only brown. This one is only brown, showing is the main source of power. So the second thing you need to do is to test all the wires, because sometimes you cannot be sure if it is wrongly connected. Use your tester to test all the wires and make sure you confirm which one is live, which one carries the current. So we check here. No light. See, there's light here. So this one is light. There's light here. This one, no light. This one, no light. This one, no light. This one, no light. So, after you have tested it, confirm the light one, the most important thing that you need to do when you are working with electricity is to make sure you protect yourself. You are wearing safety shoe. Take all the precautions necessary. For instance, if you will protect yourself very well and you touch this live wire, see, this is live. See, check here, check here, check here. Check the tester, this is live. So, if you protect yourself, you can touch this one, naked wire, you can touch it, it will not shock you. You can touch it, it will not shock you. But if you are not protected and you touch only this one, you'll be shocked. So, but now that I'm protected, I can touch this one, it will not shock me. When I touch positive and negative, it means there's a complete circuit, so it will shock me. It will shock me if I'm not protected. But if I'm protected, nothing happens. Okay, so that's it. So now let's connect our smart switch. So when you are trying to connect the smart switch, don't worry, there is leather on it. Here I have N. N means the neutral one will go here. I have L. L means the live one will go here. Here I have L1 and then U1, which means the L1 U here means up. Then here I have L1, D2, which means the second wire is push up, push down, so two wires must come here. The first one will be the one that will push it up. You put it on U1. The one that will push it down, you put it on D2. So D means down, U means up. So we also have it on these other ones. So it's simple, you just follow the letter, do your connection, connect it. If you find out after you've connected, you find out that when you are pushing it up, you press this one and it's going down. When this one's supposed to be going down, it means that the wire is not connected properly. So what you do is to interchange the wire. Take the one that you put there, put it down, and then try it again, and then you make sure that when you press this one, it's up. You press this one, it's down. So, and that is also exactly what is happening. So that's what you need to do. Now let's do the connection. This is neutral. The neutral will come in the middle. One, we go to L1. Then the push. L1 for the push up. Come here to the U. See, there's already power here, so because I'm working here, make sure you shut off the power. There's no current here, so that I can work comfortably. So you shut it off from the circuit breaker. So I want to shut it off. There's no light anymore. So comfortably. This one push down, so I put it on D2. There's also another push up, push down here. Okay, I've finished connecting it, so let me go back to the control and turn it on from the circuit breaker. Okay, now it's connected, so let's test it. This is light, one, off, on, off, on, off. Okay, it's going down, off, going up, off. Okay. This one controls this. Off, on, off. Okay, so now fix it, but I want you to see how it works. Now, see this on. This one's it's not working yet because it's not connected. See this light that's not connected. This one on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. This one on, off. Then see it's going down. See it here? Down. It's going up. Stop. See this is down. It's coming down. Stop. Continue. Stop. Off. Okay, now that you have done you've switched off.
Now our wires are connected, the neutral, the live one, and all our switches are now in place. So the next thing we are going to do is to fit in to the wall, and then use your screw to tighten it, and then make sure you push all the wires inside before you tie it, and they use your spirit level to gauge it, to make sure that it's level. You place it on top, and then check the level and make sure it's horizontal. And then there's a little adjustment to make sure that it's level. It's very, very important to make sure that the switch is level before you tighten it finally.
Now, our smart light socket is connected. We can test it. This is the light. One is working. On, off now. On. This is the light 2. Off. On. These ones, they are not fixed already. They are not yet fixed. This one is also the push up, push down, not yet fixed, but this one is already fixed. Now it's coming down. It's also down here. Stop. Up. Going up. Okay, so we have done the main work by installing our smart socket. Is in place. So we see how it is now. It's not yet finished. There's a beautiful cover that we'll put here, and then it will give you only the point where you can. It's very, very sensitive. Just touch it, it will power. Very beautiful, sensitive. It's a smart switch. It has a Wi-Fi inside. So it's very, very beautiful. When you fix it, very, very nice looking. The design is so fantastic. Made in Israel. Actually, I'm not paid to promote this company, but I value the product. So now that you have done the fixing, the next thing is to download the app in your system, and you have the internet in your house, so you can now begin to operate from remote. It could be distance, even in another country, because it uses internet. So you can operate it anywhere in the world as long as you have internet. That's why it's smart. Okay, I want you to understand that this system is very, very simple. So you can fix it. If you are an electrician, you can fix it. You can change your old one to the new one, your old switch to smart. You see, when you buy this, it comes with a diagram, and it's also labeled. You see N on top, that one is neutral. You see L, that one is the main source power, L. The live wire will go there. Then you now see L1 stroke U1. It means the first push up, push down. The U there means up. Then the second one is L2, the second wire, which is, I told you have two wires, one in, one out. Then D there means down. You can see the second one here, U2, D2, which means there another push up, push down, L3, L4. So then these other ones just your light switches. So this is very, very simple, written in English, made in Israel. You can see it here. It's made in Israel. Made in Israel, you can see it. So it's very, very nice. You can choose whatever one you prefer, but I just use this one because that is the one I'm installing in this project. So this one I still need to fix it here. I've not completed the job. So in this project, I've shown you how you can change your old switch to smart ones. It's easy if you follow the instruction. It's written in the item of the switch itself. You know, sometimes people ask you what's the difference between a smart switch and smart bulb. Actually, you can also switch off your light from the bulb itself, and then from also the switch. The major difference there is that your smart bulb can now change the color. That's where you select the color. You cannot select the color of your smart bulb from your smart switch. It can only be from the bulb that select the color. Whether you have the one clear light or pure white or whichever color it's on the smart bulb, you can do that. And that's the major thing. So like I said, after you have installed your smart switch, the next thing is to download the app from the company. And then when you download it, your switch is already connected and you have internet already in your house. then you are now powered by Google Home, and then you begin to enjoy your smart home. You can off your system from remote place. You can on it and off it wherever you are, as long as you have your gadget, like your phone, computer, and no matter the distance. The only thing there is that you must have your internet connectivity, and the internet must be available. Thank you for watching. If you find this interesting, please leave a comment. Tell me what you think about it, and at the same time, give me a thumb up. Just give me a like and thumb up. It will help YouTube to get it across to other people that may need it. So encourage me by giving me a thumb up, and like it, subscribe if you have not done so. Thank you once again, and then see you in another episode. Thank you. Don't forget, my name is Construction No Limit. I don't have limit. Thank you. Bye.